I'm Arry Cain, and in 2012 I was the first person to run the Wales Coast Path. I lost my parents and decided that I wanted to do a big challenge to do it in memory of Mum and Dad. The most mentally challenging was in Ceredigion. Physically challenging was actually a majority of it because it's really quite hilly. I didn't expect it to be as beautiful as it actually was. You've got a bit of everything with the Wales Coast Path. There's complete contrast. Each section is different and each section makes you feel like you're in a different place. You can have that beauty of being on top of a cliff looking out to the sea with crystal clear water in Pembrokeshire. You've got the industry side of things as well as the beauty of the cliffs and the castles as well. I think you've just got absolutely everything incorporated into one little country.